Imagine. Oh my gosh! Oh, this one's me. One. Oh, I should have hit that one. So you just got done playing some Call of Duty. As you guys saw, the plans have kind of changed. I was planning on doing something else, but we're actually gonna save that for next video. Right now what we're about to do is head to another photo shoot. No, I did one last video, but this one is gonna be at a different beach. Meeting up with, I believe, a Mustang, and a Subaru might come through later. And I'm also waiting for my friends, and we're all gonna cruise up to Sunset Cliffs.
What the hell is this?
What's up, man? It's 7 o'clock right now. It gets dark in about like an hour and a half. So it should be a sunset photo shoot at Sunset Cliffs. Oh my god. Literally goals. What's up, bro? How are you?
Good, good.
Hey, man. Good to see you again.
See you too.
I've been wanting to cruise out with him for the longest time. This thing is so freaking nice. Damn. That's sick, that sticker on the side? I've never seen something like that.
Yeah, battery was sending me with the kid and everything.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Damn. That sticker's dope. He just bagged his car, like, not too long ago. Sheesh. This thing is so sick. Oh shoot.
Incredible taste. Incredible taste.
Ah, scrape. Yo, if you guys aren't on these yet, I don't even know if they sell these everywhere, but these are so freaking good.
It tastes like ramen.
These protein bars with some milk, straight. So just like last photo shoot or last video, it's cloudy and gloomy again. I guess it's like a good thing for like photos. I'm not no photographer, but I heard it's good when it's cloudy. The only thing that sucks about where we're going, Sunset Cliffs, if you guys are from San Diego, there's hella traffic to get here. It's just like a one-way road. Always tons of traffic and a line to literally get by the water. Coming back too, oh my gosh, coming back is the worst. Everybody leaves at like the same time after the sun goes down. Alright, so we ran out of light out here. It's pretty freaking dark. Oh my gosh, that is so bright. Jeez. That will definitely blind traffic. Dude, it is so bright.
A few moments later.
Dude, my window was open and I got it all over my face. I was like, what was that?
Oh, yeah.
You got that too?
Yeah.
We were literally like driving on the freeway and the sprinklers were like facing towards the freeway, so I like got wet because my window was open. So we ran out of sunlight in the original spot we were supposed to go to. So we tried to think of another spot and we remember this spot from like a meet. It's a pretty cool like underground parking spot. Way more light than the beach. We just got all the homies and Of course, Chris with his Mustang. Get a few shots down here. That would be so loud if you did like a freaking burnout here. My gosh. So I've honestly been debating for like the past few days with this car. I've been debating if I should keep this stance like the way I have it right now with like the track stance and this tire setup, or switch it back to how I had it before with this stance where I had it like cambered out and everything, like -8. You think I should keep it like this? Yeah. So indecisive though. I don't know, like let me know what you guys think down in the comments if I should throw some stretch tires on this thing again. Totally just like stance it, add a whole bunch of camber, or do you guys prefer it sitting like this?
Hey, Fabian, his lights are brighter than my features.
Wow.
I don't know. Like I seriously don't know. I'm not too sure because like literally both of the looks in my opinion look really good. The camber look alongside with the track stance I think looks super good. So I don't know, it's like a hard decision for me. I'm not too sure what to do. But again, like I said, I want to know you guys' opinions down in the comment section below. It's good seeing you again.
Yeah, dude, of course. No way.
The next day now. Last night was super chilling. Got to hang out with some good company, take some photos, and just hang out and have a good time. Let me know if you guys like these types of videos where I like go out to like photo shoots and like hang out with friends. I don't really put it on the channel that much. I'll be more than glad to make more videos like this on the channel. I just got done installing a little part on the FRS that will be for the next video, so stay tuned for that. And thank you guys so much if you reached to this point in the video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for the support, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.